Welcome to this channel. Today we're gonna make a little portrait of Flap Shiba. The first step is to make a sketch. I'm using a wood board instead of a canvas. Get a gesso coat and grab a graphite pencils and start sketch. Always focusing on where the light comes from. Next step is to make a base coat. Grab a water and acrylic paints. But first, enjoy my kitty cause he is cute. Acrylic dries out fast and that's why I'm using them. Mix big 3 primary colors with a lot of waters. Maybe that was too much, you can use paper towel and there will be no problem. Out of 3, I mainly used yellow ochre for this project. Step 3 is to mix paint. Of course, you can just jump into the actual process of painting, but I just like the way it is. I like mix them all together. Also, it helps me out to focus on what I'm painting while I'm doing so. Take a reference photo and you see the pictures and see those colors. You make those colors by mixing all the paints together. It's fun. And step 4 is finally paint time. I like to start with the darkest colors, and for this project, that was his eyes. It may seem completely black, but it's actually just mixture of raw umber and ultramarine blue. Step 5 is just keep painting, always focusing on the light sources. And now it's day 2. We start painting the backgrounds before we move on to the further details. We'll paint this cute Shiba and I want him to be fluffy. When you paint a fluffy, always pay attention to the edge of the object. Usually a fluffy thing has soft edges, and sometimes it even looks blended to the background. In order to achieve the feeling of fluffiness, I recommend you to paint the backgrounds before you dive into the deep details. Step 7. After you complete the painting process fully, wait for the paint to settle and dry out. It's time to apply the painting the final coat. And here's the final result. It was such a fun project painting this cute fluffy Shiba. Hope you guys have fun too. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode.